Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Parker skills, and a stable weapon. Once done, head to the quest marker and search the nearby safe house or intel chest for the lighthouse key. Keys often drop from the indicated enemy or chest. Make sure to clear immediate threats before moving in, because combat in tight spaces quickly becomes dangerous. If you lack the key, check vendor inventories and completed mission rewards. Procuring the key is the first actionable step to unlock the door and progress. Now move on to approach. From the nearest rooftop, make deliberate Parker runs toward the lighthouse compound, landing on windowsills and ledges to avoid ground hordes. Once near, scout for patrol routes and either clear threats or use noise tools and throwable distractions to slip by quietly. If there's a vertical approach, equip and use your grappling hook or rope. It saves time and avoids bulk combat. After reaching the outer entrance, verify the key is equipped and ready to unlock the main doorway. Finally, unlock the lighthouse door with the key and step in while keeping your torch or flashlight ready. Tight interiors give enemies the advantage, so illuminate corners as you clear them. Move methodically from room to room, using flashbangs or throwing weapons to control clusters and setting traps at choke points if needed. Once the objective or loot is secured, retrace your planned exit using rooftops or a cleared ground path. Troubleshooting tip: if the door doesn't open, save, reload the area, or fast travel away and return to reset the door trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.